Hi friends, welcome to your channel Travels and Tips. Today we are traveling to Vellore Fort. The fort is a witness of battles, betrayal and blood, situated in center of Vellore city in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Turn left.
By road, it is 140 km from Chennai Central and 210 km from Bangalore.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Nearby station is Katpadi Junction. From here, you can get auto, bus or taxi. Please watch the full video and at the end I will give you some tips. This fort was built by Vijayanagara Empire in 1566, but the ownership passed to Bijapur Sultan in 1656, and in 1678 it was captured by Marathas under Shivaji's leadership. Then Mughals army Daud Khan captured this fort, defeating the Marathas in 1707, and finally British captured this fort in 1760. Presently it is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. This is the only fort where you can see the Hindu Shiva temple, the St. John Church and a mosque inside the premises. This fort spreads over an area of 133 acre and 220 meter altitude, and fort is surrounded by a wide and deep canal where once 10,000 crocodiles swam to protect the fort. After death of Tipu Sultan, his family, including his mother, wife, sons and daughters, were kept in this fort by British. Even this fort became the final destination for the last king of Sri Lanka. Inside the fort, there is a famous Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva named Jalakandeswarar, meaning Lord Shiva residing in the water, built by Fort Chief Chinnabommi Nayak in 1550. This temple is famous for its 100 feet gopuram and large wooden gate. The temple is having a wedding hall with carved pillars of dragons, horses and lions. Center of the wedding hall, there is a famous carved ceiling. During Muslim rules, worship in the temple was stopped and the main deity was moved away for safekeeping. After around 400 years, deity was brought inside the fort and reinstalled in 1981. Small tips: you can easily visit Sri Lakshmi Narayani Golden Temple from here. It is just 9 km.